The add to region command lets me add points of the point cloud from one region to another. So if I was to come in here and select an area, using the polygon selection, you'll see that I'll grab just that portion of that point cloud. And over here, if you look on your Project Explorer, it's actually showing that I grabbed some points in the ground as well. So if I hold my control key down and left click on ground, then I only have the points in the parking region. Then I can go to the point cloud tab under add to region, and I can add these points basically to that ground sampling that I did. So if I want to add a little bit more data to it, I could do that. So here it's going to add to the region of this ground 10-foot sampling, and you can see I have one point selected, but it's actually the point cloud. So I'm going to click add, and it's going to add that data to that region. So now you can see it turns green because I've colorized that ground green. It helps me understand what I have.